Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share something with you that has been a game changer in my life. As someone who used to struggle with procrastination and distractions, I know how hard it can be to stay focused and on track. However, I've learned that by making a conscious effort to prioritize my time and energy, I've been able to achieve my goals and live a fulfilling life. So, in this video, I want to share some tips and strategies that have helped me cultivate focus and productivity in my own life. Let's dive into the tips and strategies that you can use to boost your focus and productivity. 1. Set clear intentions. Define your goals and make a plan to achieve them. Write them down and create a step-by-step plan to help you stay on track. 2. Create a routine. Establish a routine that works for you and stick to it. This will help you to stay focused and minimize distractions. 3. Minimize distractions. Identify the things that distract you and find ways to eliminate them. This could mean turning off your phone, blocking social media, or finding a quiet place to work. 4. Take breaks. Schedule regular breaks throughout the day to recharge and refresh your mind. 5. Prioritize tasks. Focus on the tasks that are most important and urgent first. This will help you to stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. 6. Stay present. Focus on the present moment and avoid worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. This will help you to stay focused and present. 7. Use technology to your advantage. There are many productivity tools available that can help you stay focused and on track. Use tools like Pomodoro timers, productivity apps, and time tracking software to help you stay focused and productive. In conclusion, so there you have it, some practical tips and strategies to help you cultivate focus and productivity in your own life. Remember, staying focused and productive requires effort and discipline, but with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your dreams. So make sure you watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.